interviewing someone for an English course assignment. I happened to meet this girl. Hello, my name is Bella. Are you a student at Pamulang University? Yes, I am. I'm a student at Pamulang University. How about you? Oh, really? Me too. I also study at Pamulang University. That's nice. What is your major? I am in accounting tax. How about you? I study law. Wow, that's so interesting. Why did you choose law? Because I want to understand the legal system, how people in the future. What about you? What about you? Why did you choose accounting investment? I choose leading and working with numbers, and I wanna understand taxes, and I think it will be useful for life. Yes, such a subject is very important. Which semester are you in right now? I'm in my second semester. How about you? I'm also in my second semester. Oh, so we are in the same level. Yes, but we never met before. Maybe because we are in different majors. Yeah, that makes sense. How do you study law so far? Yes, still studying. There are many things to read and understand, but I understand. The academics also have many competitions, and sometimes it is difficult. Yes, every major has its own challenge. What do you usually do after class? After class, I usually go home, do my assignment, or sometimes hang out with friends. Same here, sometimes I do my public classes. So college life can be tiring. Do you have a favorite place on campus? Yes, I like the campus cafe. It's a good place to relax. Oh, I know this place. I sometimes do it too. Really? Maybe we have been in the same place before without realizing it. Haha. Yes, I do. It helps me stay awake when I study. Same here, coffee is very helpful, especially during exams. Yes, especially when we have exams. Why do you think college life is different from high school? Yes, it's very different. In college, we have more responsibility and are freedom. I agree. We have yes, that's very important. Do you have any plan for the future? I hope I can become a lawyer. What about you? I hope I can become a lawyer. That's really long. Thank you. It was really nice talking to you. Oh, I'm glad we met today. Oh, maybe we can talk again soon. Yes, of course. See you. Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Hi Nadia, do you have a minute? Sure. What's up? I've been thinking about taking a short trip this weekend. Would you like to come with me?
That sounds interesting. Where are you planning to go?
I'm not sure yet. I was thinking about visiting a beach or maybe going to the mountains.
I like both, but I think the mountains would be more relaxing. The weather has been really hot lately.
I agree. Fresh air will be nice. Have you ever been to Green Hill?
Yes, I went there with my family last year. The scenery was beautiful and there were many places to take pictures.
Really? How long does it take to get there?
Around 3 hours by car, depending on traffic.
That's not too bad. Do you think we should rent a car or use public transportation?
Renting a car would be more comfortable, especially if you want to stop at different places.
Good point. Do you know anyone who can drive?
I can drive, but I don't have a car.
My cousin might lend us his car if we explicitly.
That's great. Have you asked him yet?
Not yet. I wanted to make sure you're interested first.
Of course, I am. It sounds like a fun idea.
Awesome. Now let's think about our budget.
Right? How much do you think we'll need?
Maybe around 1 million rupiah each, including transportation, food, and accommodation.
That's reasonable. We can also bring some snacks from home to save money.
Great idea. What kind of food do you want to bring?
Sandwich, chips, fruit, and bottle of water.
Wow. Oh, perfect. I can also make some fried rice for lunch.
Wow, you're a good cook.
Thanks. I enjoy cooking.
Where are we going to stay?
I found a small guest house online. It is not expensive and the reviews are good.
Does it have a Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi and breakfast are included.
Nice, that makes it even better.
What activities should we do there?
We can go hiking, take photos, watch the sunrise, and maybe visit a waterfall.
I've always wanted to see a waterfall in person.
You'll love it. The water is very clear and the atmosphere is peaceful.
Sounds amazing. Should we invite anyone else?
Maybe Sarah and Kevin?
That's a good idea. They're fun to travel with.
I will send them a message later.
Thanks. Hopefully they can join us.
If more people come, we can share them travel costs.
Exactly. That will help us save money.
What time should we leave to on Saturday?
Around 6 a.m. so we can avoid traffic.
I don't usually wake up that early, but I will try.
Don't worry. I'll call you if you don't answer your alarm.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver.
By the way, don't forget to bring a jacket. It might be cold at night.
Good reminder, I will also bring a flashlight and power bank.
Smart thinking. We should prepare for anything.
Should we make a checklist?
Sure.
Clothes,
Check.
toilet rice,
Check.
one charger,
Check.
camera,
Definitely. We need lots of pictures.
hiking shoes,
Check.
snacks.
Check.
I think we're almost ready.
Me too. I'm really excited about this trip.
Same here. It's been a long time since I had a vacation.
I hope the weather will be nice.
Even if it rains a little, we will still have fun.
You're right. Spending time with friends is what matters most.
Exactly.
Thanks for helping me plan everything.
No problem. I'm looking forward to this weekend.
Me too. Let's hope everything goes as planned.
See you on Saturday morning.
See you. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Hi Bella, how are you today?
Hi Nadine, I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. By the way, I'm looking for a part-time job.
Really? Why do you want a part-time job?
I wanna earn some money and gain work experience before I graduate.
That's a great idea. What kind of job are you looking for?
I'm interested in working at a cafe or a supermarket.
Which one do you prefer?
I think working at a cafe would be more interesting because I like meeting new people.
That's true, but working at the supermarket can also teach your money as full skills.
Such as?
You can learn customer service, tomorrow, time work, and time management.
You're right. Have you ever had a part-time job?
Yes, I worked at a bookstore last year.
How was your experience?
It was great at first. I was nervous, but my coworkers were very friendly and helpful.
What were your responsibilities?
I organized book, helped customers find what they needed, and cashier.
That sounds interesting. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. I also learned how to communication with different kinds of people.
That's an important skill.
Absolutely. Do you already have a resume?
Yes, I updated it yesterday.
Great. When are you going to apply?
Probably this weekend. I found a few job openings online.
I hope you get the jobs you want.
Thank you. Do you have any advice for me?
Just be confident during the interview, answer the question honestly, and smile.
I'll remember that.
Also, arrive early and dress neatly.
Good advice. I always get nervous during interviews.
That's normal. Just take a deep breath and be yourself.
Thanks, Bella. Talking to you makes me feel more confident.
You are welcome. I'm sure you will do a great job.
I hope so. If I get hired, I'll tell you first.
I'll be waiting for the good news.
Thank you for support.
Anytime. Good luck with your job application.
Thanks. See you later.
See you, Nadine.
Hi Kevin, it's been a long time since we last met.
It is a year, like I think it's been a month.
How have you been?
I've been doing well. How about you?
I'm doing great. School has been very busy lately,
I can we have so many assessments.
but I'm glad we finally have time to meet.
Me too, spending time with friends always makes me happy.
Kevin, what does friendship mean to you?
For me, friendship means trusting and helping each other.
I agree. A true real friend stays with you in good and bad times.
Absolutely, a real friend never leave you when they become vital.
I feel lucky to have friends like you.
Thank you. I feel the same way.
Do you remember the first time we met?
Of course, it was during the first week of school.
I was shy and medium. Now anyone.
I noted that you were sitting alone.
Then you come and introduce myself.
I simply wanted to make a new friend.
I'm really thankful you did it.
Since then, we become close friends.
I still remember when I had trouble with math.
We studied together every afternoon.
You explained it every lesson patient
I was happy to help.
because of you I passed the exam.
Congratulations, but remember you worked hard too.
Thank you for believing in me.
That's what friends are for.
I think honestly is very important in friendship,
I agree completely.
even if the truth is difficult, we should always be honest.
Yes, honest, full trust.
Without trust, friendship won't last long.
That's absolutely true.
What do you enjoy doing with your friend?
I like playing badminton and watching movies.
I enjoy reading books and visiting new places.
Maybe we can visit the this weekend.
That's a wonderful idea.
After that we can have lunch together.
Sound perfect. Udah deh habis.
Habis.
Kevin, do you think trust is the most important part of friendship?
Yes, I do. Without trust, a friendship cannot grow.
I always feel comfortable talking to you because I know you will sure.
Thank you. I always try to be a good listener.
Sometimes I tell you my problems because I know you won't judge me.
Of course not. Friends soul support each other, not judge each other.
Have you ever had a difficult moment in your life?
Yes, I have.
What happened?
Last year, my grandfather was sick and I felt very worried.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you. During that time, my friend gave me a lot of support.
I'm glad you weren't alone.
Me too, that when I realized how important friendship is.
What's your favorite subject at school?
I like English because it's useful for communication.
That's true. I like English too.
We should practice speaking English more often.
That's a great idea.
Maybe we can practice a free day after school.
I love that.
What do you actually do after school?
I usually help my parents at home.
That's very keen of.
After that, I read novels or listen to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music because it makes me feel relaxed.
I like pop music too.
Do you remember when we forget your homework?
Oh yes, was so nervous.
Your teacher asked you why I didn't do it.
We honestly admitted our mistake.
The teacher appreciated your honesty.
That experience taught me to be more responsible.
Friends don't always have the same opinion,
That's true.
but we should always respect others' opinions.
I agree completely.
Respect makes friendship stronger. Exactly.
What are you planning this weekend?
I'm going to visit my cousin.
Sound fun.
How about you?
I'm going to play football with my classmate.
I hope you win.
Thank you.
Sometimes life is difficult.
Yes, but we should never give up.
We should always believe in yourself.
And we should encourage our pets too.
True, friends always help each other become better people.
I couldn't agree more.
Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye. Dah ya, Beh.
Hello guys.
people when they go to bed or something. There's lots of people in there. You can see that me. There's somewhere where to go. Let's go. Go to him and ask him a question. Let's go. That's me, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Can I get the videos for my assignment, please?
Oh, sure. Go ahead.
I should come over there that you are already read the book, right?
Oh, yeah.
What I'm reading about? What's the book?
This novel is self-development book.
Self-development book?
Yeah. You don't know about this book?
Yeah, I don't know, but it's something like novel. Or novel.
Yeah. At first, when it looks like a novel, but actually this is self-development book.
So what is self-development book?
Self-development book is people motivational book, but it's not just about motivation. There are a lot of other things.
Very different from novel.
Yes, that's right, because it's different. Novel are more about fictional story.
What about self-development?
Self-development books are more about life lessons and motivation.
What is self-development in life?
Wow, think about the will give you the three books like points.
What are they?
First, Atomic Habits, Stone, and the last one, Stone Gesture, and the last one, the Continental Slide.
I have a lot of books in the house.
Yeah, I have not had that book.
Are you really like
Yeah, I like reading some Roman books, but sometimes I also read novels.
you read novel? I like that novel too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Really? You like reading novels?
Yeah.
What kind of novel?
I sometimes read horror novel.
Wow. So you like the horror genre?
Yeah, because I really like how about you?
I like romance novel.
Yeah, that's good. But I really like
Why not?
First it's very confusing. When I started that and that, that is what I expect different
What are the ending like?
That's
This whole novel, because novel that is the subject, right?
oh yeah, by the way, we have so much. We are ready to get my name is Kim.
My name is Rita.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I think after what you all said here is Atomic Habits.
Where can I buy it? At a pet shop or
No, you can borrow mine first.
oh, it's okay if I borrow one.
Yeah. You're welcome. If you want more self-improvement books, I guess, please ask me.
Wow.
Sure. What would you want to put?
I want to buy that.
Okay, I think I can go buy books together next week. Is there anything else you want to ask? Oh, okay, I think it's enough for doctor. Thank you for your time and for recommended. That's very enough for me. You're welcome. Let's together another time. That's the people. Okay, okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Guys, my name is Chandra Hakim from Accountant and Tax. Today I have a text about English interview. I want to find some people that I can interview about university, about maybe about daily activities, about football maybe. Just follow me. Let's go. Let's ask some people that we can interview. That's the pretty girl over there. Let's ask her. Excuse me.
Hi, yes,
Do you can speak English?
I can.
Okay. So I have a text about English interview today. Can I have interview with you?
Sure.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Misty.
Okay. How do you feel? I have something difficult in income, maybe in parking or a promotion. Why you why you do this? Why
Meanwhile,
I want to meet with a student that are in station because we are in same session. Okay, follow me for an interview.
2,000 years later.
Now, I arrived in Silimara station. Now, I want to meet a random student from Munhak that wants to talk with, to interview with me. Follow me.
2,000 years later.
Now, we want to meet a random Munhak student that we waited for him in Silimara station. Let's go. Come. Hello, sir. I will chat with you. Are you from Australia? What is major? What's major? Oh, listen with me. Carry my lecture. I usually go by train. How do you feel? I feel novel. How about your study in campus?
And subject I am taking is Friday. I am now studying understanding the actual lectures was teaching is just effective.
How about teacher's lecture? Is there is a good teacher, annoying teacher for you? It's a killer.
Yes, 50-50.
Did you have a lecture killer?
I don't know.
Hey, can you lecture me? My name is Vicky. Thank you for your attention. I have an information with you. Thank you. Bye. Peace out. Very nice.